In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner so you never lose important work by accident. First, head over to planner.microsoft.com and sign in with the account linked to your Microsoft 365 subscription. Keep in mind, you need to be on a paid plan or part of an organization that has one. Once you're signed in, open the plan where your task was deleted. If you've just deleted a task, you'll often see an Undo button pop up. Clicking this will restore your task immediately. But what if the Undo option is no longer available? Don't worry, there's a way to get it back. Go to the Trash or Deleted Items section for your plan. Depending on how you access Planner, through Teams, the web, or other Microsoft 365 tools, the location might look slightly different. Once you find it, you can restore the task back to your plan. You can even place it in the correct bucket or category to keep your plan organized. If a task has been permanently deleted and isn't in the trash, you still have options. You can recreate it manually, or if it's critical, contact your IT administrator. They might be able to recover it for you. And that's it. With these steps, you can quickly bring back deleted tasks and keep your planner boards running smoothly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful